Hi, I'm Kevin with Scenic Vans, and we got this camper van for sale. It's a used camper van. It's an Everest model. I think it'll fit a lot of customers who maybe are looking for extra seating, but let me show you. So first you walk in, you notice it has an extra captain's chair, has a nice little table here. This guy swivels so you can kind of share the table with this seat. On this side you have your kitchen. You got a 2-burner induction cooktop. You got an 85-liter isotherm drawer 85 fridge. It has a freezer. It's really nice. You can see it stores a lot. I mean, look how many water bottles are in here. We have a bench seat. Under here houses the toilet. This bench seat actually has an extra seat belt. The bench is made out of metal and bolted to the floor. This wood is, decorative. There's also another mount for the table. You can move the table and have it here if you decide to sit here. For this sort of dining area, there is a TV that's mounted in here. This TV also can be turned this way and you can look at it outside, which is pretty nice. There is a sound bar right here that's hooked up to the TV, or you can just use it to play music. Over here is a Tetravan convertible shower. This is a really cool product. So this comes down, that's your shower pan. It's a nice way to have a shower without taking up too much space. There's a drain down here that all the water drains. There's also some extra storage. You can kind of stuff things back here. We'll try to make sure we use every available space. Up here you have a microwave. You got some cabinets for storage. And up here, this is a pretty cool feature. This is sort of laundry trash chutes. You can basically take this out. You can put like a trash bag down here or a laundry bag, and it's easy to remove it. Has these nice lids. Bed back here is a near king bed. We put the pillows here just so that you can see the whole thing. You sleep that way. So you got his and hers bunk windows that open. There's an air conditioner in the back, whole house fan in the front. Let's check out the back. We've relocated the rear tire to the door. It also has like a little ladder with some pegs so you can get up to clean your solar panels that are on the roof. The van comes with a fully off-grid electrical system that includes lithium batteries, 800 amp hours, 400 watts of solar, alternator charging, shore power charging. In the back here, there's a slide out tray so you can put bins on here and slide this thing out. This thing can hold up to 500 pounds. And then also there's a light under here so that if you need to access things at night when you're camping, it works out. Your water fresh tank is 28 gallons. It's mounted under the van. There are tank heaters on it so that if it gets cold, the tank heaters activate and then it doesn't freeze. There's also a gray water tank to dispose of the gray water from the sink and from the shower. The van comes with an outdoor shower that's plumbed hot and cold. Your batteries are housed in here. It's got 800 amp hours. There's some storage here with these nets to kind of protect everything. This van is awesome. I think it's a great option. It's for sale. We're asking $126,999 for it. It's a 2024. It only has 14,000 miles on it. There's a lot of folks out there that want one of these camper vans, but paying full retail can be challenging. This van has basically everything. It'd be a great asset to anyone that's looking for a van, especially if you're looking to sit a third person, maybe permanently or occasionally. It's a great option. The bed, I also didn't mention that the bed is a little bit lower than we normally make it. It makes it easier to get on it for our folks that maybe have some mobility issues. Feel free to message us. We'd love to, find a new owner for this guy.